Why? I'm gonna search up fidget spinners. Stop, dude.
I'm so fidget.
Got you. Okay, let's see which fidget spinner I'm gonna get soon.
What is it by me too? I'm just kidding. That's eBay. Oh, okay, we go up. Look at the game.
Spin.
Oh, you fucking
dumbass.
I want this fidget spinner, okay?
Hey, I'm gonna react to a video. Wait, can they see my face?
No.
Why?
Wait, I think I can make it. Just look at your face.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. But you just stopped recording. No, wait, it's right here.
Okay, let's see. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, it's recording the screen and the camera 3 times. Let's see the photos up. Go there. Yeah.
Let's react to this video, I think. Somebody. There. Yeah.
Hello, it's nice to meet you. Bam! Look at that! What is up, my beautiful mamas, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna be testing $10 kitchen gadgets. Let's do this. Let's test them. Let's do this. The first one I'm gonna try is the Clever Cutter, okay? So apparently there's like a cutting board there with your scissors and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let me see, let me just cut this. Clever Cutter. I'm using a scissors to open this. It kind of looks like scissors too, so I don't even know. Let me just get this out of here really fast. I'm really excited to try this because you guys know how much I like to be in the kitchen and testing stuff out. Okay, so here it is. It comes like this. It looks like this. Oh, it has a nice little lock on the bottom. Interesting. And it just can cut things. And it has like a little chopping. Oh, that's kind of scary. This thing can cut things like this, and it goes like directly into soups or your pans. But for our purposes today, I'm just gonna see if it works. I'm cutting just random vegetables. Let me grab some. All right. The first thing I'm gonna cut is what they have in the picture right here. They have some carrots and some celery, and they're cutting 2 things at onst. Okay, I'm not gonna get that crazy yet, but I'm gonna just try to see if I can cut one thing first. Ooh, okay. That is kind of satisfying. That is kind of nice. Wait, what's the difference between cutting it with scissors though? Let me see. Oh. Whoa, look at it. It's like harder to cut with scissors. It like moves. See? It's like really hard. But with the Clever Cutter, what? That's pretty cool. It cuts it really nicely. It's like nice little gentle pieces. Ooh. And you can kind of get in nice perfect pieces almost. Let's see what I can do, what it says in the picture where they're using like 2 at once. Let's try to cut 2 things at once. Here we go. Ooh! Oh!
I guess I'll give it a 5 out of 1. What would you? Just say your answer. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Lucky.
5, 10, 5. That's our answers. But we'll continue back to the video. 20 minutes and 16 seconds. Okay, it's gonna be a long video.
Ooh, you go, Clever Cutter. Ooh. Okay, this thing actually works really well, and it's pretty sharp. I like the feel of it. It feels really nice. Okay, let's see if I can cut some other things. I got a zucchini here. See if I can cut this. Here we go. Ooh, these are nice slices. Just, ooh, so satisfying to cut it. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It goes directly down the center of it, and then you can give it another cut. Once you cut it down the middle like that, you can hold it together and then go and cut right here. Ooh. Okay, this thing is pretty clever. I kind of really like this. This is pretty dope. Now for the ultimate test. Can it cut a banana?
No.
This is the strongest one. Oh.
You watched it?
What? This thing works so well. It's so sharp. It's just slicing through it like nothing, effortlessly. I would give this one a 7.8. A 7.8 on the rating. It's really sharp. It's really handy. You don't need to use a cutting board. There's already like a built-in mini cutting board there. I like you, clever cutter. This is really clever. Alright guys, the next kitchen gadget I'm really excited about because I always see it in stores and in the interwebs, and I wanted to try it myself. It's called Slice Right. Let's check it out. Okay, so apparently this thing can slice into like everything and pick it up for you. So, whoa, that's all it is? It's just like this, and it has like a nice little slicer thing at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna use what they have in the picture, which is a watermelon, the first try and see how well it works, okay? So first I'm gonna take it, and I'm just gonna go down. Whoa. Okay. And then I come up with it like this. And then when am I supposed to grab it? Am I supposed to flip it like this? Ooh, look at it. You just pull the slicer right out. What? It probably can slice back in like a hard drive. This is so weird. It just works so well. Okay, honestly though, I thought it worked the other way. I didn't know you had to flip it around. I just went like this and I grabbed it. But let's just go again. Okay, so I'm slicing it down. Okay, and I'm coming up like that. That easy. And I go over here. Hey, Mr. Oh. Hey, we have a problem with the Slice Right. If it's too thin, it doesn't really work that well. Look at it, I can't really pick this up. I gotta squeeze really hard. Yes, juicy. Dang it. Okay, well, we know it does work, and we know it does slice really well. Oh, this is just so satisfying to slice. Let's see if it tastes better. Oh my god, it's like the juiciest watermelon ever. I wonder if this has anything to do with that, like because we're like cutting it, with making it juicy. Like look how much juice is in here. Jeez, this watermelon is juicy. Wow, that was so refreshing and delicious. Okay, so I have a cantaloupe here, and apparently I can just slice it right like this. Pick up this slice right here. Here you go. Oh. Let's go again. Wow, this thing is so cool. You can do so many cool things with this. Wow, look at that. That's awesome. I can just keep... This is addicting. This is so good too. So apparently, according to this, it says I can slice through cake. I mean, it kind of worked.
Okay. We're done with the reaction video. It's posted on YouTube. No. Why? Just no. Go to the square. The square. That's the option. The square.